Hey, what is going on, everybody? I pray you all are doing well. So, really quick, I want to come and talk about USDJPY because this has a really good potential opportunity on the horizon. Now, swing trade once again, you guys entering in from the daily time frame. So, if you guys look at what's going on with the daily time frame, USDJPY just made a new higher high. Okay, made a higher high last week at 137, and now it is back towards my estimation zone where I want to enter the trade. So, this is where the entry gets interesting because on Friday, price closed as a beautiful rejection candlestick hammer. That's one of the candles that I like to enter my trades on. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but that is one of my fan favorites. Okay. So I have a few options here on how I can enter the trade. I can wait until tomorrow to see what tomorrow's candle closure will be to enter this trade back up to the high and further. Or I could actually just set pending orders. I could set a buy limit or a buy stop, and I'll explain both. So, when it comes to a buy limit just basically says, I'm going to draw a line here. So, let's just say that I set a limit order right here at this line. The buy limit order basically says once price gets above this line, that it can come back and test this limit or this exchange rate that I set to where I want to enter me into the trade, and then I'll be triggered into the buy for price to go up. That's a limit order. I'm sorry, not a sell. A buy stop order says, hey, once price passes the exchange rate or where the price where I set to say, hey, trigger me into the trade, it's raining and thundering here. You're gonna hear a lot, okay? Once price pushes past that order or past that exchange rate, I'm automatically triggered into the trade. Even if price pulls back, it doesn't matter. I'm in the trade. It's not going to put me in again. It's just going to put me in at that one place. So one just says pass, the other says come back and test this area again. So either way could work. What I'm going to do is set a buy limit order. I prefer limit orders so that once price passes my estimation zone and come back to enter me into the trade, I'm going to be triggered into the position, and I'm going to just let it run up back up to the upside. Okay, so that is if price triggers me into the trade. Now I'm already in the position already. I moved my stop loss to break even. My stop loss was down here, and now I've only had one position running for 345 pips. I'm in profit at the moment. So I just moved my stop loss to not to break even, but a little bit it's a little bit at risk, meaning that it was down here. Now I moved it since we have a new high back down to the higher low at 134.263, because this is the exchange rate I want price to stay above. And if it does that, great. I'll be in multiple positive positions. If not, I just lose a little bit on this position and I probably won't even get triggered into these trades. So I'm going to set that up. But anyway, that's how I'm looking at USDJPY. And I pray that you all have a safe trading week. If you have any questions about this currency pair and the setup, let me know. If you see anything different, let me know. We can always discuss it. So talk to you guys later.